I was popping everybody. Welcome to another video. And today we're going to be doing a trade recap on the trade that I took today. Took one trade. I took this trade across. This is an evaluation account I'm doing with Take Profit Trader. I made 2.4K on this account. It's 150K for TradingView, and then on my Top Step X accounts, I made. I don't know. I took the same trade though. It don't matter how much I made. I took the same trade on all the accounts. I'm just do a quick recap, break down what I was looking at today, what I was looking to see and all of that, how I executed. So starting the day off, let me just turn these off. Well, actually, no, this is kind of essential. I recognize that. So at first we had an SMT with, I believe this is London. Yeah, SMT with London high at first. I was kind of waiting to see if this was going to be respected going into open or if we were going to end up pushing through and want to continue higher. But from there, once market open, we did get that strong push into that high, and then from there we got a very strong 1 minute change in the state. Now this is where I entered on my Top Step accounts. Took this 1 minute change in the state. Now I wanted to wait to see if we were going to get a reaction out of the hourly, so I didn't take it on this account. I was a little bit less aggressive on this account. I'm going to trade a little bit less aggressively, so I wanted us to wait. So I was waiting to see what we were going to get out of here, if we were going to react from the hourly or if we were going to continue lower. So from there, I didn't enter right then and there because it was such a fast move as well. I couldn't really take advantage of it on both accounts. This was my initial entry on the Top Step accounts. Take Profit Trader, I wasn't able to catch that. But so yeah, from there, I noticed we had the change in the state. We ran the 3 minute. We also got a close beneath the 10 minute. Now ES ended up rallying and putting in an SMT at open high right here. As y'all can see, very strong SMT. ES ran all the way back up to open high. NQ never did. From here, I was kind of just waiting to see if we were going to get some type of reaction out of this imbalance or if NQ was going to follow through. But since we did run the 10 minute, I was more confident in the fact that we were going to potentially get that, get a reaction from here. So from there, I really just zoomed in. I was waiting. I waited. Once we got this 30-second inversion for value gap paired with, the displacement on the change in the state. This is my A+ model, as y'all know. Everything that I wanted to see right here perfectly. Got the change in state with this candle. So once we got that change in state, I ended up tightening my style to this high and rode it to this low. I took off right around new day open and gap because that is where I was most confident in. And then with the SMT with ES, how strong ES was, I wasn't sure if we were going to continue to hold or if we were going to get a reversal, if we were going to continue to flood. So I took everything off right there. Super fine with this trade, super happy with how this morning went. I was patient, I executed correctly, did everything I had to do. So overall, a very good day. Really didn't do anything wrong. I think I avoided a few losses early on, which I am happy with. Stuck to, what I like to see, and we were rewarded for it. So can't really ask for much more from there. So with the Take Profit Trader account that I'm trading on, you need 5 days in order to pass the evaluation account. So I'm basically just dividing the profit target by 5 days. How much I need to make? It's 9,000 divided by 5. So I need to make about $1,800 per day. Yesterday I made like 2K. Today I made 2.2. So I'm right on track to pass these accounts within the next 5 days, and then from there, as y'all know how, or if y'all know how they work, you can take a payout any day once you are above the payout buffer. So very excited to get to that. Gonna continue to just trade these patiently. It's only Tuesday, so we have the whole week. Hopefully you can pass them by the end of the week. And then on my Top Step X accounts, I'm eligible for another payout next week. So yeah, we steady rolling right now. We just going with the flow, and hopefully we can end this month pretty good, taking out a good chunk of money towards the end of the month. Gonna be patient though. Gonna continue to just execute what we're supposed to. And yeah, actually am going to be releasing the Discord this week. Now actually I'm gonna talk about it in the next video because I want to break some stuff down for y'all. But yeah, Discord is gonna be coming this week, so stay on the lookout for that. If you did make it this far in the video, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.